Welcome to Edgeek channel. Yen is here. Today's video is talking about why won't iPhone update and how to fix the updating issue. Apple updates iPhone software frequently, and to get the iPhone up to date, we often go to Settings tab, choose General, test software update. If you are watching this video, you may not be able to update your iPhone over the air, or the software update failed right. There are several likely culprits for the problem. Maybe your iPhone is not compatible with the new iOS update, or maybe there's not enough space on your device for the update, or perhaps your iPhone is not connected to the Wi-Fi or is not plugged into the charger before starting the update. If you are not able to reach the update server, your iPhone won't update as well. Whether the iOS update takes a long time or the update doesn't complete, we fix the error right away. The first thing you need to do is to make sure your iPhone is compatible with the most recent iOS update. Not all iPhones can run the latest version of operating system. According to Apple, the recent iOS 14 and iOS 15 are compatible with the iPhone SE, both first and second generation, 6S, 7, 8, 10, 10S, 11, and 12 devices. We will leave a link in the description below and you can check whether your phone can install the latest update. I think you might restart your iPhone and do any check for storage space, Wi-Fi connection, or battery life, but your phone is start updating. It's time to use iOS System Recovery. You can get a smart tool from appgeek.com. The program is capable of troubleshoot iOS update errors efficiently and can also fix the screen being glitching or frozen, being stuck on Apple logo, spinning wheel, and many other issues. So launch the software on your computer. Click More Tools. Click iOS System Recovery. Click Start. Now connect your iPhone to your computer. Once it's connected, choose Standard Mode. It's good enough for minor software problems. Click Confirm. Now select an iOS firmware for your iPhone and download it instantly. Wait for the download to finish. And once done, click Fix to remedy the issue. It's all that simple. Okay, open your iPhone and see if the latest iOS is installed on it. Now we do some basic checks. First, make sure your iPhone has enough space to download and install an update. The software will take space, and for example, iOS 14.7.1 takes 7.48 GB of storage space on my iPhone 12. But you will need more than that, so the software installs successfully. To see how much free space on your iPhone, open Settings tab, tap General, then tap iPhone Storage. You see, I have 84.6 GB of 128 use, so that's 43 GB left. That's enough for store the update. If you have little free space available, you will need to remove some apps or files on your device, or use your computer to install the update. Now open iTunes on your computer. If you are using a Mac with Mac OS Catalina or later, open Finder. Then connect your iPhone to the computer via USB cable. Locate your iPhone and then click Check for Update to download the software and update your iPhone. Next, you will need to solve the never issue that causing your iPhone to not update. When you see the message saying unable to check for update or unable to install update, it's likely that you can't reach the update server or can't verify the update. To get this sorted out, try updating your devices using another Wi-Fi network. If it still fails, remove the update and download it again. Resetting all settings to their defaults is also a good fix when an iPhone won't update iOS. I'm gonna do this by starting Settings tab, tap General, scroll down and tap Reset, then tap on Reset all settings. Don't worry, this doesn't delete your data and media, but just your Wi-Fi password, home screen layout, location settings, and privacy settings. Does the progress button to move slowly and the iPhone update won't complete? It seems that your device runs out of power. Make sure to keep your phone connecting to a power source or at least your phone has 50% of battery life remaining, as the process will take some time to finish. If you try all techniques and your iPhone is still not updating, try doing a hard reset. Why is a hard reset not a simple restart? A hard reset can solve any glitches that blocks the update and reboots the system. No data is deleted. On iPhone 8 and newer models, press and release volume up button, press and release volume down button, then press and hold the side button until Apple logo shows up on the screen. Let your phone restart and try to update your iPhone software again. For hard resetting earlier iPhones, we have a link in the curve above or in the description section below. As a last step, you can try to DFU restore your iPhone with updating issue. DFU stands for Device Firmware Upgrade and is an advanced restoring process to get an iPhone updated to the most recent iOS. We put a tutorial in the card above or in the description below. Okay, that's pretty much of what to do when your iPhone is not updating. Of course, eventually your iPhone will update. If any of that helps you install iOS again, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to Edge's channel. You can also leave your comment below. See you in the next video.